talk much, dude. Nah, gotta be confident. This is gonna fly this time.
It's gonna fly.
Yeah, it flew last time.
Fly last. Yeah, we gotta land it this time.
Oh, so picky.
No, I mean I've been obsessed with this thing because it's such a different silhouette in the air. So I'm like determined to get this thing back, you know, in one piece. It was just flying really weird. It didn't feel like any plane I've ever flown before. Controls felt kind of sluggish, and the weirdest thing was the stall speed is what we're trying to figure out today. So I'm definitely not going to land slow. So I'll try to land hot even if I run off the runway. But it doesn't behave like any other plane I've ever tried flying, which is kind of what challenged me at the same time scares the crap out of me. All right, guys, let's see what happens.
Are you more nervous now or less?
Less. I mean, it's crashed already,
yeah.
So I don't really, not too worried about it. I just want to find out what the stall characteristics are.
What did you, besides repairs, did you do any improvements?
Well, I just did the canards, so they're not as severe as they were before.
Okay.
I also blanked out the elevator in the back because they had some reflex. But I didn't. Last time
you neutralized it. Is that what you mean?
Neutralized it,
okay.
Yeah. Because before it was flying nose up all the time. You had to add a lot of down elevator. Aside from that,
CG's in the same spot?
CG's in the same spot, but I made it a little bit more nose heavy.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that this is actually, let me try to trim elevator up since we made it more nose heavy. Okay. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Okay.
All right, it's up.
Take off, but at least it's up. Full throttle. It is severely nose heavy, guys.
Yeah, I thought it would be. I would have gone tail.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Is it?
It's fine.
All right, take it. Once you get the trim, are you okay on trim?
Yeah, it's really neutral now.
You want to do a stall test up high?
Oh shit, that's the problem. It doesn't like
Off throttle?
off throttle. Yeah, dude. So controls really get dumbed down when you don't have speed. And then when you do have speed, it seems to respond okay. Let me switch to high rates. High rates is definitely better.
Timer reset.
All right, I'm gonna do a stall check. Need to get more altitude. Oof, this orientation's weird on this thing.
I lost orientation a couple times just watching you.
Yeah. Okay, doing stall check, off throttle, totally off, totally off, totally off, totally off.
You're dropping?
Off. It's sinking, but I'm elevating.
Okay.
Powering up. Kind of losing orientation here. Okay, I'm gonna land it. Orientation's is crazy, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to paint this bitch. Sorry, I'm disoriented. I'm gonna go for a low pass. Oh man, one canard is up.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like fully deflected. Okay, it's gonna be a hot landing. So I don't know what's happening with the canard up front. No, does not like. Oh, does not. Oh. Does not like power half.
Jeez.
Woo! Ah. Yeah, but you hear.
As soon as you're off throttle.
Yeah, when you heard the motors wind down, it
Yeah.
just dropped out of the sky.
Yeah.
So that's definitely a thing with this. Anyway, that was an experience.
Well, you came in pretty hot too.
I mean,
You
that's
had
the thing.
to.
It was hot, but the thing is, like, and Jose heard it. The second I pulled power down to kind of glide in, it didn't want to fly anymore.
It's fixable.
I don't want to fix it anymore. That's it, man. That's it.
Oh man.
But yeah, unfortunate, dude. I thought you know, it's I thought we had it again this time, but
Again, landing.
landing.
Yeah.
Just as soon as it loses power, it just wants to drop out. Freaking weird.
Yeah, that's too bad.
I guess canards were okay. It was just probably holding at a severe angle. Unfortunate. Okay, that's that. That's the end of that.